Students, I hope you all will be fine. Today I'm going to solve worksheet number 4. Here you can see a web home page. Okay, this is a Google page. Here you can see this is the address bar. This is called the address bar, or this one is URL, and this one is address bar. Okay, cannot address bar. This is address bar where we write the address. If you want to get the google.com, then we write the URL. This is the uniform resource locator. The question number 1 is unscramble the words to find answer of the following. The first question is the first page of the website. This is the home page. Here you can see different alphabets. EHMO, we cannot pronunciate properly because the information is hidden in these words which are not properly arranged. So if we want to get the hidden information, then we will arrange these words. I already arranged these words. This is the home and page. Similarly, question number 2 is Internet Explorer is the type of EBWRW. Here you can see B is capital, so we can we will start to unhide the information which will be start with capital B. Okay, the next question is the device used by internet service provider. ISP stands for internet service providers to connect your computer to the internet. So it is MDEOM. It can be a modem. The next question is D. It contains the URL of the website. So you will tell me what where the URL of the website we write down. Okay, the next question is the language of the creating a web page. Here you can see a web page. This is the Google. Here you can see this is they write the HTML because they design this web page with HTML coding. So in this way we got the information that the language of creating a web page is HTML. In this way you will unscramble the hidden information. Okay, thank you so much. Allah.